Prague, also known as the Golden City. I made a spontaneous decision to go to this remarkable city, so I woke up early in the morning, brushed my teeth, had my bath, and we headed to the train station. The journey took about 6.5 hours, and before I knew it, we were in Prague. Welcome to Prague. My name is the MD, behind the camera is the MD, and this video is all about 14 hours in Prague. Let's go. Upon arrival in Prague, we kept our things in our Airbnb and headed to the first destination. First off, we're here right now in front of Kafka moving head statue. This place is an iconic place which you have to come to when you're here in Prague. This statue blew my mind when I set my eyes on it. The panels of the statue move independently every hour for about 15 minutes. This statue has 42 layers which are built in mortar. The statue is in front of the Quadro shopping mall. There are two cafes on the small plaza just outside the shopping mall Quadro, where you can sit and enjoy the process of deconstructing and reconstructing the head all over again. I really liked the sight of this statue that we had to come again the following morning to behold its magnificence. Next up, we headed to the John Lennon Wall. Can all the Lennon fans please stand up? We are here right now in Mala Strana, Praha, a place that is not far from the Charles Bridge. As you can see right now, this is the wall and this is a picture of John Lennon himself. If you're like me that likes taking personal photo shoots, then the John Lennon Wall is the place to be. This wall, which is owned by the Knights of Malta, has been covered with graffiti for decades. Tourists who go to this wall try to leave their prints in the sands of time by writing something on the wall. Very close to the John Lennon Wall is an iconic place, so we went with so much excitement to the Charles Bridge. Made of stones with a length of 516 meters and linking the two sides of Prague, the Charles Bridge was a must to see. We are here right now in Charles Bridge. I would like to call this place the paradise of statues. This place is one of the heritage landmarks here in Prague. The Gothic pedestrian bridge is nicely decorated with 30 Baroque statues, with each statue telling a unique story. At both ends of the bridge are the Prague Castle towers. We took more pictures and went on to grab a little bite at the top-rated chimney cake spot in Prague, right next to the bridge. Before we go to the next place, it's time to heal up the place where we can have the best chimney cake here in Prague. I'm really excited about this because this place is quite spectacular, has a wonderful location, is right here at the Charles Bridge. We had delicious chimney cakes with ice cream toppings, which made our taste buds tingle with so much excitement. Actually very, very delicious, I must say, because very tasty. It's within the city, the city center.
Exactly.
And it's
under the Charles Bridge.
Yeah, just right at the Charles Bridge, and it's quite awesome, I must say. The next place on our agenda was the St. Peters Cathedral. The St. Peters Cathedral is known to have witnessed the coronation and burial of Czech kings and queens. This Gothic masterpiece is the spiritual symbol of the Czech state and is the most important cathedral in Czech Republic. This is not a surprise because it took an outstanding 600 years to complete its construction. The cathedral gave me some Game of Thrones vibes, I must say.
Winter's coming.
I'm glad I saw this cathedral in all of its glory, and our journey to Prague would not have been complete without going to the Old Town Square. As we stepped into the Old Town Square, it was like we went back in time 600 years. With its ancient buildings and magnificent churches, this is one of the most beautiful historical sites in all of Europe. Now, I noticed that this had the highest number of tourists as compared to other destinations in Prague. This square is big with so many activities to do there, and it's littered with many cafes and restaurants. The Old Town Square held a unique treasure, which was our next destination. The astronomical clock, which is attached to the Old Town Hall, had something quite interesting for us to see. This is currently the only functioning astronomical clock in the whole world today. at the beginning of every hour, the clock has a performance where the 12 apostles start a parade. Watching this parade gave me peace and satisfaction with the fulfillment that I had seen everything I wanted to behold in Prague. And that's it, guys. This is where I'm going to round up on today's video. If you like the YouTube algorithm to push this video to more people, kindly do me a favor by clicking the like button, the subscribe button, and the bell icon so you can be notified about my future content. I appreciate the fact that you took the time to watch this video up to this moment. I always remain the MD, and I'll see you all in the next video. Cheers.